Hey, welcome back. I was recently criticized on one of my videos on YouTube, and it was a distance Reiki healing video on YouTube. And the first 5 minutes of it or so was me guiding them into a gentle meditation, I suppose you could say. And they said, well, it wasn't really Reiki, it was a meditation. But this is quite an interesting concept. Where does the line start where we actually class something as Reiki and when we class something as meditation? There isn't a line. Sitting down and having an honest conversation with somebody and using the correct tone of voice, being balanced in mind, being totally present with the conversation with the person, is living harmoniously in the way of Reiki. So we don't do Reiki, we are Reiki. There is no separation. So whether it's in a meditation, whether it's in an actual Reiki treatment with a hands-on healing with a practitioner, whether it's doing Qigong, whether it's going for a run, whether it's weightlifting, whatever it might be, you're always in the presence of Reiki because Reiki is you. It's a fundamental part of you, your energy, your being, the way that you are. And as a Reiki practitioner, it's through our practice to learn about this and to balance our own energy, to balance our mind. Once we have control of the mind and we balance the mind, then everything else falls into place. But the first point that Mikao Suri was always pointing to was being of no mind. It doesn't mean being sort of brainless or thoughtless, but it's not being attached and not being pulled into various aspects. It's just being totally present and being totally open and not having an outcome, just being. And that is where real healing can take place. So if you're in a meditation, you're following a meditation, you are sitting in the presence of Reiki. There is no definition, really. You can call it spirit, you can call it God, you can call it universal life force energy, you can call it your prana, you can call it your auric field, you can call it the space in the room that is around you, the ground that is beneath your feet, the grass that is growing in the field. Everything is an aspect of Reiki. There is no separation. And that is fundamentally why I do the videos the way that I do. Because I understand, not trying to sound egotistical or that I know more than anybody else, but I just understand that there is no separation. And I am not drawing a line between, well, that's a meditation and that's Reiki and that's something else. We're all practicing within the realms of Reiki. Every single one of us, even those that don't know about Reiki and don't understand Reiki or haven't learned Reiki or haven't been attuned to Reiki, they still have Reiki within them because it's an aspect of them. It's our life force energy. So no separation. And if we start to look at life and have an outlook of life of having no separation, no attachment, no outcome, then life becomes simpler, easier, and more healing.